What's going on, YouTube fam? Today I am going off-roading with the boys. We are heading out to Virginia. It's gonna get down into the 20s, which is very cold. So we're actually camping in our cars. Right here I have a platform that I built. It's gonna be a fun time, so let's get started. Woo! All right, we're here at Reddish Knob. How high is this again?
4,397.
4,397 feet. All right, Mike is about to drive this thing in there. We're gonna take on water. We're out. Mike's driving us. So far, he's been doing a decent job. It's pretty wild. Whoa, man. All right, Mike and Tyler, they're riding their trucks through here. So let's see how they do. Fixing the exhaust pipe, it's hanging.
This is the one that's pretty good because of more water.
Yeah, I got air pumps, extra oil, obviously tools. Pretty much fix the whole car if you have to.
This is crazy!
And it's getting deep. Four-wheel drive.
Four-wheel drive, here we go. This is fun. This is cool though. I see why people like this now. Right. This is my first time going, so.
Oh yeah, dude, you're gonna be out here a lot more often.
There's a log in the way, so we're gonna try to get it out of the way. Oh wow! We're moving it out of the way.
That's good. Let's go.
All right, remove the tree, and now we have a clear path to the campsite. Got a little firing right up in here. Got a nice river. All right, so first off-roading experience was pretty sick. It was a little scary at times where there were like big rocks or there were some obstacles in the way, but we took it slow and it was a lot of fun. So now we're just gonna set up camp, get a fire started, eat some food, and enjoy the night.